Hey there! Having trouble hearing anything in Warzone Mobile because the sound isn't working on your iPhone? No worries, I've got you covered. In this guide, I'll walk you through some simple solutions to get your audio back up and running. Let's dive right in and fix this issue together. Solution 1. Check sound settings. First things first, let's make sure your iPhone isn't on silent mode. Next, crank up the volume by pressing the volume up button. Now, fire up Warzone Mobile. After that, tap on the gear icon to access settings. Then, navigate to the audio settings. Now, scroll down a bit and find the Reset tab option. Lastly, hit that Reset tab button. Now, check if you can hear any audio on Warzone. Solution 2. Offload Warzone Mobile. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down until you find COD Warzone, then tap on it. Then, hit the Offload app button. Next, tap on Offload app. Once it's offloaded, simply tap on Reinstall app and let Warzone reinstall. Once it's done, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Reset your iPhone settings. Open the Settings app again, scroll down and find General, then tap on it. Now, locate Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. Next, tap on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Confirm by tapping on Reset All Settings. Your settings will be reset and hopefully this issue should be fixed. And that's it! You should now be able to enjoy Warzone Mobile with sound on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!